Hey you guys, so today, yes, it's another wing day. So we're gonna be making some buffalo wings. So let's get started. So the buffalo sauce I'll be using is Moore's. I was in Walmart, I saw it, I picked it up. That's just as simple as it is. You can use whatever buffalo sauce or make yours completely from scratch. Totally fine. I'm gonna season my wings, however, with my spice. Usually I always go for about a tablespoon of spice to like a pack of chicken. You don't need a lot, but if you're making like a pack of chicken, a pack of wings, you want to put like a whole tablespoon down in there. Also, some brown sugar. I want to put a little bit of sweetness in the back. That was a teaspoon. I think the mistake a lot of people make when they make wings, especially if you're gonna fry it before you add a sauce, they don't season their wings. So I'm making sure I season my wings liberally. You can also bake these wings. All you want to do is, and these wing recipes are so simple. I just completed my 100 recipe, writing my 100th recipe for this year. All those recipes are coming out throughout this year. And the wing recipes that's in that catalog is just insane. So I'm looking forward to sharing those with y'all. Some of them are healthy, some of them are not. Well, can you really make a wing healthy? Let's be honest. It's a wing. It has a lot of fat. Regardless. But, yep. You're going to let this marinate for 2 hours or up to overnight. And then we're going to make them pop. Alright, you guys. So I'm about to put together, I should say, the dipping sauce for the wings. If I didn't already season the wings with that little bit of brown sugar, I would have added a little sugar here just to give it a little more of a touch. In my bowl, I have chopped fresh parsley. Here I have blue cheese dressing that I'm going to put right down in here. As well as some pepper. You don't need salt. Please don't add no more salt. It don't need it. And I have gorgonzola cheese, but if you have access to blue cheese, for sure, you can add it down in here. I have gorgonzola, so I'm going to put some in here for that extra touch. Mix this up, and that's the dipping sauce for the wings. Alright, also to go with the wings, I'm going to saute this cauliflower medley. Probably just some butter, salt, and pepper, saute down for 5 minutes. And that's alright, you guys. So in my bowl here, I have flour. To this, I'm going to add some corn. Ooh, making a mess. Some cornstarch. Probably 3 to 1. You don't want to put equal parts or more cornstarch than flour. You're also going to add black pepper down in here. Y'all know I don't fry chicken without black pepper. I don't care what kind of chicken it is. You also want to add some salt. Mix this up, dredge the chicken, let it sit for 10 minutes, then we're gonna fry it. Now myself, I just add them down in here. I'm not dredging them in any egg or any of that sort of thing. I just want to coat it lightly. And that is it. So now you're just gonna coat it in your flour, cornstarch, salt and pepper mixture. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it in a bowl. I'm just going to leave it in a bowl for 10 minutes right in here with this flour. Go do what I have to do, and then we'll get to frying. Alright, you guys, so first and foremost, we're going to do the sauce. All you're doing is heating it up. All you're doing is heating it up. Once it heats up, I'm going to add the butter, and that's it. I don't like putting sauce straight out the bottle onto my wings. So I'm going to heat it through for 5 or 10 minutes and then add the butter, and that's it for the sauce. Alright, so while my sauce is heating up, I'm going to do the cauliflower rice. You just want to pour it down in here. You can season this up however you want, guys. I'm just putting basic seasoning, salt and pepper, maybe some paprika or something. It's vegetables. I don't do too much to vegetables. Alright, and that's it for the cauliflower. All I used was some all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. That's it. Alright, I'm just gonna start dropping my chicken. They still been sitting in that flour this whole time. I actually went and took a shower and came back. You don't want to overcrowd your pot or your pan. And these are going to cook up for about, I don't know, maybe 7 to 8 minutes, maybe 8 minutes. Wings don't take that long. Alright, you guys, I'm already starting to set up. I got my celery, tomatoes. I'm going to put my dipping sauce right over there in the middle. These are my wings. I'm going to drop them right down in this bowl right here. And we're just going to toss. I'm sorry about the sunlight. We don't have lighting yet, so the sunlight is basically ruining my shot. But don't worry, I'll have all the cute pictures at the end. So then you're just going to take your sauce and just pour it right over. And you're just going to toss it the best way you can. And I'm going to plate everything up and show you guys what they look like. Alright, you guys, finally I'm done. So, you know, we have the celery, the blue cheese dressing we made, tomatoes, you can use carrots, whatever. The sauteed cauliflower, rice, and our wings are over here. So, my husband is finally home. So, as usual, I'm going to let him tell y'all how good it was or if he didn't like it or whatever. And, yep, I'll catch y'all on my next video. How was your
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
I'm talking to the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the food was tasting real good. You know, there's a little bit of heat, but it's nice, a lot of flavor as usual. It's already gone. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I don't ate it all. I ain't got nothing for you. Get out of here.